Hello everybody, this is Trevor Slescu, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. So I'm just giving you a very quick update on my progress on the Laurel and Hardy 25T Roadster kit that I'm building for the April 28th showing at the Museum of the Highwood, 7 o'clock at night. We're doing a silent movie featurette with Laurel and Hardy before they actually became the team of Laurel and Hardy. So I guess you could say we're going to show Oliver Hardy and Stan Laurel on two different DVDs. But some of the clips. But anyway, now I wanted to build and show or display this Model T at that silent movie night. And I'm running a bit behind because of weather conditions in Alberta. But I just wanted to show you the pseudo progress so far. Now as you've seen from other videos, I've been working on 6 Model T kits all at the same time, different body styles, because I wanted to do a display of High River with some Model Ts kicking around with Laurel and Hardy, right? Now, this is the original kit from the 70s, one of 2. There was a touring car as well, 27T that they were in, but I don't have that one. Anyway, you'll notice here that this is the Turtle Deck 25T Roadster kit. Comes with the Laurel and Hardy figures. This kit hasn't been produced since the 70s, so it's quite rare. Traded it for a 64 Chevy Impala with one of my customers at the store, which was very, very nice. Thank you, James. Anyway, yeah, so they're in a Roadster. Now, in a lot of the films, Hal Roach Studios, Laurel and Hardy were in various Model Ts. And they made most of their films in the talkie era. I'm just going to tilt the box down here. See, there's the Sportster body. Now, the thing about this is they made a lot of movies in the talkie era, which is because they got teamed together toward the very end of the silent era. So there's not too many silent films with Laurel and Hardy, you know, together as a team. There's some other film stills. And the reason why I traded was because the box was all wrecked. Anyway, there's not too many Laurel and Hardys as a silent film. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to swap some parts and things and build a special Laurel and Hardy, which was the car they drove in the very first silent film together. Or, well, one of the first silent films together. And the name of the film is called Big Business. So, Laurel and Hardy in that film were Christmas tree salesmen in California who go to this guy's house to sell their Christmas trees. If you look it up on YouTube, you'll see that the hilarity ensues. But anyway, so, moving the box away, we actually are I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to build their pickup Roadster from that film, Big Business, a comedy short. Now, you'll notice here, see what I've done is, there's 2 cars molded in black. Now, the Laurel and Hardy Roadster has only parts to build the Roadster. But it's interesting to note of one of the things. This is the only, okay, coming into view here. This is the only seat that actually has a package shelf still in existence. And what I discovered was that the package shelf came in with the Tall T kit. Now the Laurel and Hardy kit says in the instructions to take and remove this. Later Model Ts from AMT actually don't have this package shelf anymore. So what I'm going to actually do is steal this seat out of the Laurel and Hardy kit and put it into the Tall T so that this package shelf makes up the difference between where the seat ends inside and the back here of the body. So thank you, Laurel and Hardy, for having that part. So what I'm going to do for the car, now you notice, okay, so this is the pickup they had in in Big Business. Now, the body in Big Business was not white. I still have to paint this. Now, the Three Stooges is the other kit currently that's molded in black. So, as a model builder, you always paint your black plastic. But the nice thing about this is this body needs to be primed with flat black paint first. Whereas this is already molded in black, so I could just shoot it with gloss black and be done. So to speed up time, so that I at least have one Model T by the end of the week, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to paint all these parts with gloss black and then do the final assembly. Now the reason why this is white is because I made a, well, not really a mistake, because I was planning on using the black parts for the tall T. So I'm saving the instrument panel, of course, where my finger is, the dashboard, the black one for this one. What I did is I was going to do something different with this body, but I glued the dashboard inside there, so I don't have any other dashboard, so I have to paint one of these flat black. But there's the original body, and unfortunately, no dashboard. So that's what I'm going to do. Just paint those components. And of course, here's Laurel and Hardy. Right there. The actual key pieces that I need. So of course they can just sit in the Model T like that, you know, when they need to be put together in there. And we'll be able to get that going. So that's what I'll do. The Model T pickup truck from Big Business. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you at the Museum of the Highwood, April 28th, 7 o'clock p.m. Be there or miss out on a great group of comedy classic stuff with Laurel and Hardy. We'll talk to you later. Bye.